The concept of the metaverse, a virtual world where users can interact, work, and play in an immersive digital environment, has been steadily gaining traction over the past few years. As we move into 2024, the metaverse is poised to become an integral part of our daily lives, transforming how we socialize, conduct business, and entertain ourselves. This video delves into the key developments and trends expected in the metaverse this year, technological advancements and accessibility. The evolution of virtual reality and augmented reality hardware is making the metaverse more immersive and accessible to a broader audience. Companies are developing lighter, more comfortable headsets with enhanced graphics and reduced latency, ensuring a more realistic experience. Advancements in 5G and edge computing are also providing seamless connectivity, allowing for complex and interactive virtual environments. These technological strides will democratize access to digital experiences, enabling more people to participate in the metaverse. Moreover, improvements in haptic feedback and sensory experiences will further enhance the sense of presence, making virtual interactions feel more lifelike. Expansion of virtual economies. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are driving the growth of virtual economies, creating new opportunities for commerce within the metaverse. Non-fungible tokens are gaining popularity, allowing users to own unique digital assets, such as virtual real estate, art, and collectibles. This expansion is fostering a surge in virtual marketplaces and services, providing new opportunities for entrepreneurs and content creators. Virtual land sales and property development are likely to become major industries within the metaverse, with companies and individuals investing heavily in these digital assets. Additionally, brands will establish virtual storefronts, offering exclusive products and experiences that cater to the digital-savvy consumer. Virtual goods and services, ranging from fashion to education, will become integral parts of the metaverse economy. Integration with real-world applications. The metaverse is seamlessly blending with real-world activities, enhancing productivity and experiences. Virtual events such as conferences, concerts, and trade shows are becoming more sophisticated, offering interactive and immersive experiences. Businesses are leveraging the metaverse for remote collaboration, training, and simulations, while virtual tourism allows users to explore exotic destinations and historical sites from home. This integration will extend to healthcare, with telemedicine and virtual consultations becoming more immersive and effective. Industries such as real estate will also benefit, with virtual property tours becoming a standard practice, providing potential buyers with a comprehensive view of properties without the need for travel. Additionally, virtual reality-based training programs will allow employees to practice complex tasks in a risk-free environment, leading to more effective learning outcomes. Social interactions and communities. The metaverse is revolutionizing social connections, enabling users to form meaningful relationships and communities in virtual spaces. Virtual social platforms allow users to create personalized avatars, attend virtual gatherings, and engage in shared experiences. These platforms foster a sense of presence and intimacy, allowing for socializing, networking, and community building despite geographical barriers. Social spaces in the metaverse will range from casual hangout spots to sophisticated venues for virtual parties and events. In educational settings, virtual classrooms will allow students from around the world to learn together in immersive environments, enriching their educational experiences. Additionally, the metaverse will provide opportunities for niche communities to flourish, allowing individuals with specific interests and hobbies to connect and share their passions in dedicated virtual spaces. Entertainment and media transformation. The metaverse is transforming the entertainment industry, offering immersive experiences for concerts, movies, and user-generated content. Filmmakers and game developers are exploring new storytelling techniques, leveraging the interactive nature of the metaverse to create engaging narratives. This shift leads to a more participatory culture, where audiences are active contributors to the entertainment landscape. The gaming industry in particular will thrive, with more elaborate and interconnected game worlds offering seamless integration with the metaverse. Esports will also benefit, with virtual arenas providing new venues for competitions and fan interactions. Additionally, user-generated content will flourish, with individuals creating and sharing their own virtual experiences and stories. This participatory culture will foster creativity and innovation, leading to a diverse array of entertainment options within the metaverse. Education and skill development. Virtual classrooms and training programs in the metaverse are making education more engaging and accessible. Students can explore historical events, scientific concepts, and complex subjects through interactive simulations. This approach will cater to different learning styles and provide hands-on experiences that are not possible in traditional classrooms. Professionals benefit from virtual workshops and seminars, enhancing their skills and knowledge without the constraints of physical location. The metaverse democratizes education, providing quality learning resources worldwide. Higher education institutions and training providers will create virtual campuses, allowing students to attend lectures, collaborate on projects, and participate in extracurricular activities in a virtual setting. This virtual learning environment will promote inclusivity and accessibility, making education more equitable for individuals around the globe. Healthcare innovations. The metaverse is advancing healthcare through virtual therapies, consultations, and medical training. Virtual reality therapies treat mental health conditions like anxiety and PTSD, while virtual consultations offer personalized care without the need for travel. Medical training is revolutionized with realistic virtual simulations, improving skills and confidence, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes. The metaverse will also facilitate global collaboration in medical research, accelerating the development of treatments and technologies. Rehabilitation and physical therapy programs will benefit from virtual environments that simulate real-world activities, helping patients recover in engaging and motivating ways. Additionally, the metaverse will enable remote monitoring and care for chronic conditions, improving the quality of life for patients with limited access to healthcare services. Retail and commerce. The retail sector is embracing the metaverse, providing consumers with new ways to shop and interact with brands through virtual storefronts. Customers can browse products in 3D, try on virtual clothing, and experience products in innovative ways. Augmented reality will enable users to visualize how products fit into their real-world environments, such as placing virtual furniture in their homes before making a purchase. Brands are creating immersive marketing campaigns within the metaverse, offering interactive advertisements and exclusive virtual events to engage customers. Loyalty programs and virtual memberships will provide additional incentives for users to engage with brands in the metaverse. This transformation will enhance the shopping experience, making it more interactive and personalized. Challenges and ethical considerations. Addressing privacy, security, and ethical concerns is crucial for creating a safe and inclusive metaverse. Companies must implement robust security measures and data protection protocols to gain users' trust. Ethical considerations include the impact on mental health, addiction, and social inequality. Prolonged exposure to virtual environments may lead to issues such as digital fatigue and detachment from reality. Policymakers and industry leaders must collaborate to establish guidelines and regulations that protect users and promote ethical practices. Furthermore, the environmental impact of the metaverse, particularly the energy consumption associated with running large-scale virtual environments, will need to be addressed to ensure sustainable development. Ensuring that the metaverse is accessible and inclusive for all users, regardless of socioeconomic status, will be essential to its long-term success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content.